In front of me is XIAOMI 11T, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this device. You need to start by accessing settings and scrolling down. Then click on additional settings, languages and input, manage keyboards and Gboard. Now click on theme and tap on this plus sign under my themes. Finally, you can select a photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, choose next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Now tap on done and click on the switcher next to key borders to enable or disable them. Finally, choose apply, and now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!